Hey y'all! Welcome. My name is Jody Jean Daniels, and this is my channel Just Right. And I want to talk to you guys about something today that I have learned, and it is how to write when life gets in the way. Life gets messy. Work, family, health, and all the things that pull you away from your writing. And I get that because when I was writing my first novel, The Ledger, I was going through chemo and radiation treatments. So there were plenty of days when I was nearly derailed. And today I'm going to share how I kept writing anyway, so you can too. When I was drafting the ledger, I thought that everything had to be perfect. But step one is lower the bar, but keep moving. When life hit really hard, I would just lower the bar. And sometimes my goal was just to read what I wrote the day before, or just go over one scene, or write one paragraph, or one sentence. For example, the first draft of the coffee shop ambush scene in the ledger was written just in scraps between doctor's appointments. And it wasn't pretty, but those scraps added up after a while, and then it became one of the most intense scenes in the book, and I loved it. Step two, anchor your writing in routine. I learned to tie writing to something small and consistent. For me, it was coffee. When I would get back in from running my errands, even when life was hectic, I would sit down with my coffee mug and a candle and write just 10 minutes. And that was how I actually drafted Lillian's confrontation with Abrams, those short bursts into the chapter. And it proved to me that routine, not hours of the day or free time, that is what kept my story moving. All right, step three, use your life in writing. Sometimes instead of fighting the chaos, I poured it into the story. There was a week when I was really exhausted and frustrated. And that was the week I wrote Lily's breakdown after betrayal. My own emotions gave that scene weight. So using what I was feeling kept me writing when otherwise I might have quit for the day. So, in conclusion, here's the truth. You don't have to be perfect, and conditions don't have to be perfect, and the stars don't have to align for you to get your writing in. Step one, lower the bar and just get some words down. Step two, build a routine that anchors you. And use life's challenges, number three, as fuel for your story. That was how I finished the ledger, even when life got in the way. So, tell me in the comments below, how do you keep writing when life gets messy? And we'll share tips and encourage each other and cheer each other on. And if this helped, please hit the like button, subscribe, and check out my playlist for more writing motivation, all under 5 minutes. Have a great day, guys. I love you, love you. Bye.